Hello. We have a problem. Eddie is on vacation. Our editor, our producer, our everything, our pride and joy is not here. So I've been doing all of his work. Well, I've been half-assing all of his work. But it's a hot lap.
What?
You told me to do it, so we're doing it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. You're doing it with me?
Yeah. You have a mic and the... Okay.
Yeah, I got no notes,
I'll
though.
take the camera. That works
Wait,
for me.
what?
Hey.
What the hell?
Yep.
Okay, don't get your fingers in the way. What do we got going on, though?
Well, we hired
Anything
someone.
new? Yeah. Meet our new employee, everybody. You guys seen him already. It's Ricardo. Was he here? He was here last week.
Yeah, probably.
He didn't get a proper introduction.
Whoa.
But this is Ricardo. He did 9 tours in Afghanistan. He...
That's not funny. He is a vet, so...
I guess you
Thank
did...
for your service, Ricardo.
Yeah. Thank you. He is a veteran. He's a lot older than he looks. But he's not that old. He's not that old.
Damn. That's crazy.
Because when you say veteran, it makes somebody seem like they're old.
Oh, really? That's what you think? Maybe
Yeah.
that's because the last war where we had vets was Vietnam.
When was that, the
Until
70s?
this
When
one.
was Vietnam? 70s?
Until this
60s?
one this guy went to.
When-
Yeah, late 60s.
Late 60s, yeah. I'm not a history buff, so...
This stole us from the Vietnam War, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway,
Viet Cong.
what do we got? What do we got? What's new? What do we
What's
got?
new? What's
Yeah.
shit going on out here right now? In
By the
here.
way, we're not editing this at all because I do not have the
So you might wanna get the
capability to.
music first, then. I'll talk
No,
about it.
bring it outside. I'll talk over it. I don't think you're gonna be able to hear him because I have the microphone. It's a ghost. Come on out. There he is. All right. Like I said, Eddie is. First, he went to the UK, and then he went to France. Bonjour. So he's living his best life. So we're out here
Paying these guys too much money.
still trying to run the podcast, run the YouTube, and yeah, it's not going too hot. We
What
need you
the
back.
What is going on here?
Yo, point the camera at me. What are you doing? Anyway, let's look at what Chris is doing.
Chris, how's it going for the last 2 weeks?
It's all right. Yeah, you have been working on this for about 2 weeks. No, maybe a week.
This is a week.
A week.
This will be the second week.
Not too bad. This thing is getting what? A whole new turbo kit.
This is what happens when a customer supplies the parts. Great guy, love him, easy to work with.
But he likes what he likes.
Yes. First of all, before I say anything else, we don't know a lot about these cars either. I don't know what parts to get for this car. Chris actually knows a lot more than me, but I don't really know what I would have ordered for this car. But customer ordered universal front mount intercooler kit, universal turbo kit, universal intake manifold.
Kind of.
It's-
Kind of universal intake.
It's for a JZ, but it's not for a
IS300.
IS300.
Oh.
So you get stuck with having to cut the entire fucking fuse, the ECU box apart because you're trying to fit everything in instead of relocating it. That should save him about $2,000 versus relocating the.
Yeah, before we get all the comments, oh, just relocate the ECU.
Yeah.
Not that easy.
Damn, you got that down to a millimeter.
It's probably not even done yet, but yeah. Because this intake manifold is causing a lot of problems. Check the clearance right here. That's going to hit for sure.
Yeah.
I got one.
So, it's problems like that. So, it's probably going to need solid motor mounts, which is going to make this thing vibrate like a motherfucker. We had to put this here, but we couldn't fit this here without getting rid of his fan shroud. So, we had to buy a $900 fan shroud. And why it's $900, I wish you could fucking tell me, because first of all, it was broken in 2 spots. We had to fix that. And it's just sheet metal. So I don't really know what is going on here, but it's a $900 fan shroud. Now this fits. Barely. No room. So
You like the bracketology?
bracketology, that's standard on a situation like this.
Come on now.
Then this side, we had to relocate some other sensors, and we're gonna shove the intercooler pipe down here. We had to relocate the ABS module. What do you call it? Actuator.
Actuator.
We had to relocate the ABS actuator and the lines, pull it all over. Chris had to modify this bracket in order to fit the turbo.
Wait, you repositioned all these lines too?
He basically did, yeah.
It sits like this.
It sits like that. So now Frankie has to create an intercooler pipe to go through here. This space is insane to fit through.
Looks like this is gonna get real hot next to these, no?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's gonna get real hot. Some would say boiling hot.
Whoa. Wait, let's address the elephant in the room. Look at Frankie's new haircut. Hey, hey, hey,
it's gone.
hey.
We've talked about this on 3 videos already.
Oh, okay. Anyway, this is quite the project, but hey, it's what we're here for.
I think it's almost done, but it's probably not. Yeah, Chris says no, so not a good sign. Intercooler's on though. That works.
Sturdy.
Yeah.
Let's see that rigidity, Chris. Shoo. Yo, let's go look at this project over here.
Downpipe doesn't fit either. Downpipe's got to be custom made.
You need a custom downpipe?
It needs to be, yeah, it all needs to be clocked and re-welded.
For a Supra.
It's for a Supra. Most of the parts are for a Supra. This is not a Supra.
But you know, the young bulls think it is. I'm surprised this thing fits on here, but this is the shop truck. You got some goodies for this.
We got some rust repair going on.
Yeah, this
Frankie's
thing's gonna be
not
looking
doing
fresh.
it. Yeah, Frankie's not doing it. We're bringing it to our good friend Bert. Bert the painter.
At Nicoletti Auto Body.
Damn, you knew that shit real quick. All right, Bert's gonna fix the rust. God bless him. I don't know how him and his team are gonna do this.
Hey, they do this for a living.
And then we're gonna paint this thing.
You're gonna see this thing fresh at Final Bout this year,
Damn. Okay.
right? Wasn't that the plan?
It's the plan. I just never. You're the one that says things. I don't know.
You said it first the other day.
I said it to you. I didn't say it to the fucking whole YouTube.
Oh. So that was confidential?
That was like, I hope.
Yeah, that's just, yeah.
Good man, though.
Yeah, getting a little AC leak diag.
Jesus is trying to figure out why the AC doesn't work. Yeah. It's been going on about a year now, so.
This thing be acting up. All right, well, what else we got going on?
That's it.
That's it, honestly.
Oh, I got a hood.
Oh, the Z.
Finally found a hood.
The Z finally got a new hood.
Finally found a hood. I just had to get it from Florida and have some random people ship it up here.
No dings, no dents, same color.
Yeah.
It's lit.
There's definitely it's definitely not perfect, but it's
It has some dings, never mind.
it's pretty good. Pretty good. Except when they took it out of the trailer and knocked it right on the fucking top of it, and I was like, nice. Cool.
Nice. What else we got going on? We have our giveaway still going on this month. Oh, that reminds me. We will announce the giveaway winner
Do that.
right now.
You have the capabilities to do that?
I don't know how to do it, but
So how are you gonna do it?
should we do it next? We do it on Monday.
I guess we're doing it on Monday.
Eddie is the one who does the. He runs the system to choose the giveaway winner, and I forgot that he did that. So, check out the Hot Lap on Monday, and the giveaway winner for the radiator, oil cooler, and radiator cap will be announced. Koyo products. But yeah, this month we have stopping power package. So
power
brakes up to $1,000.
Brakes, you get brakes like this.
Anything for the brake system. Ooh wee.
Yeah.
Yeah, feel free to put these on back order if you win.
What do you mean? You got them right here.
Oh well, that's for your car.
300ZX right here.
Dang.
Yep. Shoes, we got shoes here. Could be included, could be.
Ooh.
Depending on if it's in the budget, you know.
What else we got going on?
I don't know. We got a lot of merch, I can tell you that.
Yeah, and all you ladies out there, we still got those crop tops.
Oh yeah, let's go look at those.
I know some girls still ask about those.
Saw Sophie out there at 7th Day wearing this crop top.
Nice.
Saw this in the wild. Yep. Got the bone.
Yes.
Black.
And ladies, if you're wondering, these do fit a little bigger than you think. So if you think you're a small, you're probably an extra small.
Yeah. Embroidered too.
Ooh.
And we all of our other merch too as well. So.
Yeah. So check it out, guys. FactionMotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you an entry into the giveaway.
Total loss tee.
Hey,
Corvette burner.
Corvette burner. Why'd you choose a Corvette?
Why not? I didn't want to put like one of our cars or like a car that we know, because then it'd be like,
Bad omen.
yeah. Like, speaking of bad omens, we got the
Ooh.
black cat. Right
That's a
here.
classic.
Yeah. People seem to like that one. We got Carl's car right here. Another bad omen cat. Wheel fell off. Typical Carl shit. This is nice.
Yeah, it's my favorite one. I need to get one of these.
Yeah. You should get this one. Tough luck.
Ooh.
Cat. Black cat. It's all about cats. This drop is all about cats.
Obviously, because it's about tough luck.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's cool too.
That's all I got, man. That's actually a really good one.
It is. It is. That looks like very vintage.
We got it on a hoodie, too.
Yeah, this is
The
a
center logo.
kind of like a lighter weight hoodie.
This just reminds me of like Element skateboards.
Yeah.
That's
Or
kinda-
independent.
Yeah, that's what I was going for here. So, I think it worked out. This is a nice one.
Yeah, it works. It works. I'm digging it. I'm digging it.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Yeah. So what? What do we got? What else we got to say?
That's it. Edit the video, get it out. Let's get this going. Eddie, come back.
Dude, and also, ORC clutches are on our website. They've been selling like crazy.
Yup.
And for those of you who don't know already, ORC has a warehouse in the States. So they keep a lot of stuff in stock as of recently. It's in New Jersey, about an hour away from us. So they have been beginning to have a lot of stuff in stock for you nerds out there. So,
Why'd you aim it at me?
well, that's yours, right?
I don't know whose that is, but yeah.
But yeah, ORC on the website. See you guys on the next Hot Lap. This was,
Say goodbye in the mirror.
there you go. This was Hot Lap number 118, I think.
Almost missed it.
Almost didn't do it because Eddie is Mr. Worldwide right now.
Yep.
So we will see you guys next week. For those of you who are anxious to see who the winner was for the Coil Rad stuff, tune in on the next Hot Lap.
Yes, sir.
See you later. Bye.
That's it. One shot, one take.
One shot. No edits. Goodbye.